I am still fairly new to the car scene, but as you guys know, I got my little Honda Civic SI, and ever since I got the car, I just been wanting to learn more about vehicles and then kind of want to modify it and whatnot. And while I'm really good at putting stuff together, I always find it to be somewhat of a challenge still. But in here, I got AWE touring exhaust for the Honda Civic SI. I have been super excited to open this bad boy up. Not just open, get it. I just got it today. I waited a month and a half due to the whole COVID stuff and whatnot, but finally here, and I'm finally get to work on my car because I've been itching and I wasn't trying to buy a bunch of other mods before getting my exhaust. Before I do the opening of the box, I need to go grab some tools. But yeah, I need to go grab some tools. But yeah, I had to wash my car real quick because here in California we've been having, snowing ash. So I had to get that all clean before I put this new exhaust on there. But we'll be cutting to me opening the box right now. Oh, she's pretty. A muffler. So with mine, you can get it customized. So I went with a triple tip. I've seen videos of AWE, and I've seen their stuff. And then check out that tip. So that's one of the three. This is for those with a sedan. I don't have a sedan, I have a coupe. So, and then your triple. Alright, time to load it. So, the point of this video isn't necessarily to do an instructional video. I've been excited for this exhaust, and I don't have much content for the channel anyway, so I might as well do whatever I'm doing on the car. Washed her up, I'll put the exhaust on. Probably by the time I put the exhaust on, it's gonna be dark outside. So what I will do is I'll do some exhaust sounds right now of the stock, and then for tomorrow I'll put up the put up the sounds for the new exhaust. I wish I could do a full-blown video, but unfortunately I just got out of school at like 5 and had to wash cars, so I lost a lot of time. Also, it probably wouldn't be beneficial for me because I don't know jack shit. Yeah, if you do want an instructional video on how to put this exhaust on, I would suggest checking out Pawin's video on it. If you looked up AWE touring exhaust on YouTube, you'll definitely find it. It's like the top video for that. But he did a great job on that, and he definitely sold the product for me. I mean, he's pretty much the reason why I got the exhaust. So, but yeah, I'm about to put this baby on and we'll see how she sounds. Alright, so it is actually not the next day, but the following. And I not really forgot, but I kind of just got lazy and didn't film yesterday like I wanted to. But to show you guys, new exhaust is on. Looks pretty nice. I do need to fix the alignment on the exhaust tips. But as you can see, at least for my car, Old muffler is hanging pretty low to the ground. My car is lowered about an inch and some change on the backside, on the rear backside. And so if you have a lower car, this might not be the exhaust for you, but in regards to everything else, I mean, she's nice. I likes. So, as you guys can hear, it sounds pretty good, but I honestly can tell you guys that it's not. All right. Whoops. What was I gonna say? The sound, honestly, I've tried to listen to the sound of this exhaust on computer and phone for like 2.5 months. Computer audio doesn't do it justice at all. In person, it sounds way better. When I first turned it on, I was like, oh wow. There's a lot of bassy tones of the exhaust itself that the typical microphone doesn't pick up. Overall, the installation of it was really easy. The only difficulties I had was just not having a big enough jack. Like the jack wouldn't go high enough, so I had to like really squeeze underneath the car to get to some spots. But other than that, it's fairly straightforward installation. I really love the exhaust. I love the way it sounds, the pops. I don't know if you guys were able to hear that, but the pops really just make me feel some type of way. Like the thing is, it's a little pricey, just a tad bit pricey. I had a growl that I really wanted. It's not super loud when it's sitting idle, which is kind of nice, but when you do like accelerate, you know, it does get pretty loud. The exhaust is awesome. AWE, thank you for communicating well. I was like very, not nervous, but I was very anxious to get the exhaust because it's been a long 1.5 months waiting. But now that I have it, I'm super happy with the product. I don't know how many times I've said that now. Obviously my videos aren't scripted because I repeat shit a lot.